The half Windsor knot is a medium-sized knot that is relatively easy and quick to perform. Plus, it fits for almost any equation.
First, you should place the wide end on the right and the narrow end on the left. The front side of the tie should be facing out.
The rule of thumb is to line up the narrow end so it is approximately half the length of the wide end. This will vary from person to person depending on their size and height.
Start by crossing the wide end over the narrow end to the left and then back behind the narrow end to the right.
Next, you want to bring the wide end up and over the neck loop and then pull through. The wide end should now be on the right with its back side facing out.
Next, you want to cross the wide side over the right and then up underneath the neck loop. Now you should notice a little hole formed in the neck loop that you can now fit the wide end down to.
You can tighten by pulling down on the wide end.
To bring closer to your neck, hold the narrow end in place and slide the knot up your neck.
You can fit the narrow end through the keeper loop on the back of the tie to help keep it hidden.
Next, fit the knot close to your neck and check the length of the tie. Generally, the bottom of the tie should lie somewhere in between your belly button and your belt buckle. If the length is incorrect, you can untie the knot and start over by raising or lowering the starting length of the wide and narrow end.
To untie the knot, simply hold the knot still and pull up on the narrow end until it is all the way through, and the knot should untie itself.
Thanks for watching.